Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. We are diving into a really important topic. Is sadness the only cause of depression? Many people think that depression is just about feeling sad, but the truth is, it's way more complex than that. So, stick around as we break down the real causes of depression and uncover the factors that contribute to this serious mental health condition. Let's start with the basics. No, sadness is not the only cause of depression. Depression is a complex condition influenced by biological, psychological, and environmental factors. While feeling down is a common symptom, it doesn't explain everything. So what else is at play? Let's dive in. Biological factors. Genetics. If depression runs in your family, your risk might be higher. It's not just about emotions, there's a genetic link too. Brain chemistry. Imbalances in neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine can affect mood regulation. Hormonal changes. Conditions like thyroid disorders, menopause, or postpartum changes can all play a role in triggering depression. Psychological factors. Personality traits. People who are highly self-critical, perfectionists, or have low self-esteem may be more vulnerable to depression. Trauma and abuse. Past experiences, especially childhood trauma, can significantly increase the risk. Chronic stress, whether it's work pressure, relationship issues, or financial struggles, prolonged stress can take a toll on mental health. Environmental factors. Major life events. The loss of a loved one, a breakup, job loss, or even moving to a new place can trigger depressive episodes. Social isolation. Feeling disconnected or lacking strong social support can contribute to depression. Chronic illness or pain. Living with long-term health conditions can wear a person down emotionally. Other factors to consider. Substance abuse. Alcohol and drugs may seem like an escape, but they can actually worsen depression. Medications. Some medications list depression as a side effect, so always check with your doctor. Sleep problems. Poor sleep or chronic insomnia can lead to changes in mood and mental health. Depression isn't caused by just one thing. It's a combination of many factors that come together in different ways for different people. The good news? Help is available. If you or someone you know is struggling with depression, don't hesitate to reach out to a mental health professional. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Let's keep the conversation going in the comments. What are your thoughts on depression and its causes? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and take care.